Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can stop Windows 11 from saving files into your OneDrive. So if you don't want your Windows to save your files into the OneDrive, then you can simply do that. So let's go quick into the process on how we can do that. So you have to locate your OneDrive icon at the taskbar, this one, that is in a cloud symbol, the OneDrive, and that is near your audio icon. So you have to click on the OneDrive icon. Then here you'll find this gear-like symbol, which is the help and settings. So just go ahead and click on that. Now you have options right here like settings, unlock personal votes, and feedback, get help, upgrade, and pause syncing. Click on settings. In here in the list of options on the left pane, you have sync and backup, account, notifications, and about. Click on sync and backup, which is the first option for OneDrive settings. Then here you'll find backup important PC folders to OneDrive. So you just have to click on this manage backup. And here you'll find this files will be backed up, protected, and available anywhere in OneDrive. Personal even if you lose this device. So if you don't want your Windows to save files into your OneDrive, then you just have to simply switch all of these buttons off. Or if these are enabled or switched on, just simply switch these buttons off for documents, pictures, desktop, music, and videos. Now once done, you just have to click on Save Changes and then close this window and also close this window. And that's it. You just have stopped your Windows from saving files into your OneDrive. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.